So we're talking about what are the artwork we are going to do. There's an example about the Stanford prison experiment.
Yeah, maybe we can, conduct somehow same test or like maybe more art. I don't know about the question that we designed to talk about. Like if there's we design a environment or class for the participants and gather them around.
Yeah, we can give them a identity.
Maybe just bunch of people and bunch of other people with different.
But in which environment, for example, you let them to do what to show the oppression related to our topic.
Yeah.
In what under what environment?
Yeah, maybe they will do at first they're all same and all the students learning here and with other other identity they may do something that makes them to oppression. I don't really think so because I think that's kind of hard. Like if you do not have other demands. Like maybe there can be a competition between groups. I know maybe inside a group there will be a
maybe we can find we divide people into two groups and we can give them a task. We want the groups to finish the task and we can see if one group used less time, whether there is a leader or someone to arrange and control all of them in this group. Maybe I just guess.
Maybe it's just a task, but I think maybe if the time the time period is too short, then they cannot forget their their own identity.
Yeah.
But they cannot put effort into acting like another. Or maybe just tell them that, make them act.
Yeah.
Like what is their impression about that class or that kinds of people, and let them act. And because what they act is what they saw in the society. Now what they act is maybe what they how the society is working. And if one day occasionally he or she became that identity, maybe they will do the same. But now they're just students because they don't have experience.
But I think if you give them the identity which they don't have, maybe actually at first they will act not so similar to the identity we give them. Maybe we can give them some punishment if they cannot be the identity we give them.
But it's kind of hard to evaluate that.
So the class is about, such as there's a chairman, it's modern environment, society environment, or the Asian society environment, such as emperor or queen, king.
That was weird because that information what we get is from television or.
If we set a such as chairman, president, and citizen, you mean government and
that would
citizen.
Be quite big, like in Stanford, this is just prisoner and.
But I mean, if you give them the government or the citizens, government and king can be good. Maybe not an oppression.
这不秃了吗？我的天，我要报警了。你看你这积木头积了那么长时间还没有弄好，笨死！我也觉得好像没有4级。你真是这个境界非常的高。你还不一定会包的。你那些都不能用。你把它手拿来再裁一下。手来了，这边那边比，你这鼓起来的有没鼓起来的？跟那边比谁？14、15、16、17、18、19、20、21、22、23。这浪费了很多调料。因为这个实验的 limitation 就是不用吗
Group interview。
哇，这应该比我高端了。
就你们在这个过程当中，就其实你们上面现在所有上纸上写的东西都是一样的，就这个组是参照组，然后就暂时还没有，所以你们中间有任何方法来提升这个效率吗？
分工合作。分工合作的话，就是一开始2个不太会折星星的人就负责裁纸这项工作，会折星星的人就用他们裁好的纸来折星星，这样子每个人都能人尽其才，所以提升了效率。那还有就是你叠好了以后，再找人负责捏鼓，
所以这一个流水线的形式，
非常像一个工人。
他一个人撕所有人需要折的那个纸，
然后
剩的人全部都在折。
我记得中间还有关于什么大小的讨论，我不太记得。
因为最开始没有确定那个星星什么样才算合格嘛，
一开始还不知道，
所以大家折的大小都不一样啊，需不需要鼓起来也不同。后来那个艺术总监说做的漂亮一点好嘛，然后就统一这种他撕的纸的大小，鼓起来的漂亮星星。没了。
那你中间觉得谁效率比较低啊？
效率比较低的初学者。
初学者来笑一下。
但没有办法，因为是初学者，可以理解。
挺好。